Hey guys, it's Mountain Gold. I got a Gear 8 repair patch, so let's fix the damaged lightweight pocket pants. I said I've got gear patches, but I've already used Gear 8 repair patch, like tenacious tapes, for many years now. For example, this is my kid's down hoodie. Patagonia's down products for kids are really durable. It was hardly abused from my first kid and my second kid, but yeah, it still looks pretty okay. My third kid will use it because this condition is totally fine. Anyways, but still, down wears get some holes, and at that time, I use this Gear 8 repair patch. I put the patch on it and it lasts forever. I don't even remember when I put the patch. You know, this hoodie was used almost every day during winter and it doesn't come off, right? It's pretty nice. Actually, you know, this is one example, but even my wife put the put this kind of patch on her down jacket. If you watch my video frequently, you know I love this Yamatomichi lightweight pocket shorts. It has many fittings and it is quite aged, but yeah, it's still okay, you know, still good to go. I will keep using it until it will get unwearable. I don't know. I think lightweight pocket shirts are super durable for the weight. I slip and hit my butt many times in rocky areas, but finally when I slip and hit my butt in Mount Ontake, it got some small little holes. It's getting warmer, so I'd like to put the patch on it. Yeah, it is, you know, like buffalo shape and wolf shape, square, oval, circle, triangles. And this time I'm gonna use this shape, the footprint of mountain goat. As you can see, it has two holes, so I'm gonna put this mountain goat footprint patches to each holes because it has two pieces. Okay. It has to be flat. You know, I'm sort of expert, so because I used this patch for many times. That's it. It doesn't really look like the footprint of mountain goat. I don't know, people will think like, oh, he has bags on his butt or something like that. If you find someone who has two bags on his butt, it's mountain goat, so please say hi to me. Anyways, yeah. If you damage your favorite wear, like your down jacket, your pants, your rain gear, don't be so sad. it's a history of your hiking career, you know. Just buy this kind of repair patch and put it on and it's good to go. I have a few more Light Pocket shorts, but this one is special, you know. It has history. My history. I hiked with them so many times, so it has a priceless value for me. I just wanted to encourage you guys to repair your favorite gear and keep using it. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please do that. Please smash the subscribe button. I'm also doing Instagram. The link is in the description, so please feel free to follow me. Alright, see you outside. Bye.